Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G16. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Performance is where this laptop immediately separates itself from most gaming laptops on the market. The Intel Core Ultra 9275HX paired with the RTX 5080 laptop GPU creates a system that feels effortlessly powerful. Games load fast, frame rates stay consistently high even in demanding AAA titles, and there's a noticeable lack of hesitation when pushing ultra settings at native resolution. What's impressive isn't just the raw speed, but how stable everything feels under load. Long gaming sessions don't introduce sudden dips or stutters, and creative workloads like video rendering, 3D modeling, or running heavy simulations feel smooth and predictable. This is the kind of performance that makes you forget you're on a laptop. The RTX 5080 itself deserves special mention because it doesn't feel like a toned-down mobile GPU. With DLSS 4 and the efficiency gains from NVIDIA's latest architecture, you get high frame rates without the system constantly screaming for power or throttling itself. Ray tracing is genuinely usable here, not just a checkbox feature, and the Max-Q optimizations mean performance doesn't come at the cost of unbearable heat or noise. It feels balanced in a way gaming laptops often struggle to achieve. Memory and storage play a big role in that smooth experience. The 32GB of DDR5 RAM means multitasking never becomes a concern. You can have a game running, a browser full of tabs open, background apps doing their thing, and the system just keeps going without slowing down. The 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD is fast enough that boot times, game launches, and large file transfers feel nearly instant. It's the kind of responsiveness that subtly improves everything you do, even outside gaming. The display is one of the standout parts of the experience, and something you notice constantly because it's always in front of you. The 16-inch ROG Nebula panel with its 2.5K resolution and 240Hz refresh rate is genuinely excellent. Motion is incredibly smooth, making fast-paced shooters and competitive games feel precise and responsive. At the same time, the sharpness and color quality make it great for content creation and media consumption. The new anti-reflective coating does a surprisingly good job of reducing glare, which makes the screen more usable in bright rooms than many gaming laptops. It's not just fast, it's comfortable to look at for long sessions. Thermals are often where high-end gaming laptops fall apart, but this is another area where the ROG Strix G16 feels thoughtfully engineered. The advanced cooling system, with its vapor chamber, tri-fan design, and liquid metal application, actually does what it promises. The laptop gets warm under heavy load as expected, but it never feels out of control. More importantly, performance stays consistent rather than dropping off after extended use. Fan noise is present when you're pushing the system, but it's controlled and less harsh than many competitors. When you're doing lighter tasks, it stays quiet enough to fade into the background. Build quality and design strike a good balance between gamer identity and everyday usability. The chassis feels solid and well-assembled, with no creaks or flex that would undermine confidence in long-term durability. The RGB light bar is bold and stylish if you like that aesthetic, but it's also smartly implemented. The ability to turn everything off with stealth mode means you can take this laptop into a professional or academic setting without it screaming, "Gaming laptop," the moment you open the lid. That flexibility is more valuable than it might seem at first. Keyboard and overall usability are strong, though they don't try to reinvent the wheel. Key travel is comfortable, feedback is satisfying, and extended typing sessions don't feel fatiguing. For gaming, the keyboard feels responsive and reliable, and the large trackpad is accurate enough for everyday tasks when you're not using a mouse. Wi-Fi 7 support is another forward-looking feature that helps future-proof the device, offering faster and more stable wireless performance when paired with compatible networks. Living with this laptop day to day, what stands out most is how little friction there is. It doesn't constantly remind you of its limitations. Instead, it adapts to whatever you throw at it, whether that's competitive gaming, creative work, or just general multitasking. Battery life isn't its strongest suit, but that's the trade-off you expect with this level of performance, and it's a compromise that feels reasonable given what you're getting in return. In the end, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 2025 feels like a laptop built for people who actually use their hardware hard.